Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this Sonam Kapoor look, which I just love. This I think is very Valentine's Day appropriate. It's very sweet, flirty, neat look. So if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So I'm taking this Maybelline Master Prime primer and I am applying it on my cheeks and my T-zone area, and I'm applying it using a dabbing motion so that it fills in the pores. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is an excellent foundation if you're on a budget. And I'm applying it all over my face using my Studiowest Beauty Sponge Beauty Blender. I'm using this sponge for the first time and not a fan of it though. I realized it's too big for my face and it does not reach the nooks and corners of my face. But it's okay, I'll give it another try. Next, I'm taking this Elegirl Pro Conceal HD Concealer and applying it under my eyes. If you haven't tried it yet, you have to try it. And then I'm blending it with my Studiowest Beauty Sponge. This product just meshes into the skin really well. Then, to highlight my under eye area, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and applying it in a triangle shape. And then blending it with the sponge. What this does is it really brightens the under eye area and brings it forward. Next, taking my Bharat and Dorris loose powder, I'm going to bake my under eye area. And then I'm going to let the powder stay under my eyes for a couple of minutes, and without taking any extra product, whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to apply it all over my face to set my base. Then I'm going to do my brows real quick using this Rimmel London eyebrow pencil and just follow my natural eyebrow shape. Then using this nude shade from my Makeup Revolution London Flawless 4 palette, I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. Then taking this peachy pink shade which has got a little bit of shimmer in it, I'm applying it all over my eyelids with the help of my flat shader brush. Just packing the color in and making sure that my eyelids look pigmented. Then taking this shimmery, pearly, pinky shade, I'm applying it all over my eyelids. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful eyeshadow and it gives such an iridescent look to the eyes. And taking this pinky mauve shade, I'm going to apply it on the crease of my eyes and blend it really nicely. And I'm using it as a transition shade. Then taking this orangey coral shade, I'm going to apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. By the way guys, I'm back after a long time. That's because my brother-in-law got married and I was very busy during that time. So it was strictly family time, but I'm back now and I'm gonna be uploading new videos. Next, I'm mixing the orange corally shade and the rosy pink shade together and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes just for a little depth. And then taking a clean brush and without taking any extra product, I'm just going to blend the two colors together, and I'm going over the crease area as well and blending it really nicely so that there are no harsh lines and everything looks seamless. Next, taking this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black. This is my favorite Kajal. I'm gonna apply it on my upper lash line, close to my lashes. Like not super close and not super thick, but something in between. And then try to flick it out. And then I curled my lashes and put on mascara and a pair of falsies. And then also flicking off any extra powder from my under eye area. And then I'm also applying the black kajal on my waterline. And this makes the eye look super neat. Next, from my Master Contour palette, I'm taking the contour shade and contouring my face. Just contouring my cheeks and the jawline. Next, using this Maybelline Color Show blush, I'm using this very pretty coral shade on my cheeks. Next, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter and applying it on all the high points of my face. This look is about a very glowy, dewy skin, so go heavy on the highlighter. Then I'm going to use this Studiowest lip liner in the shade Misty Mauve. This is one of my favorite lip liners, and I'm lining my lips with it and also applying it all over my lips as a base. Then I'm using a peach shade and a gloss from Loreal in the shade Nude Allude to get the exact shade that she was wearing. And I've mentioned all the products I used in this video in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please show me some love. Like this video, share this video, and comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.